Less than an hour ago, that dramatic landing as NASA's Orion spacecraft returned from orbiting the moon. And it's pretty exciting. We have Lindsay Reiser, of course, back at the big board of this. We were so enjoying this when it was going down about an hour ago. But how did it go overall? Were there any hiccups to discuss? Walk us through the big return to Earth.
I mean, Alex, there is going to be a post-event press conference later today, so maybe we'll find out if there were any hiccups. But as of right now, they are calling this textbook. Let's go ahead and look at some of the live images right now that NASA is giving us. This really was the culmination of so many tests. Testing the rocket system, the most powerful rocket system ever built so far. Testing Orion's heat shield, making sure that it could withstand 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit coming back into Earth's atmosphere. Now, to give you an idea here of the flight path for Orion, after leaving Earth, Orion did a close flyby of the moon, then flew distant retrograde around the moon. This is farther than any spacecraft built for humans has gone. And then another close flyby of the moon. And that kind of helped slingshot Orion back on a trajectory for Earth. So that lunar gravity assist was really crucial. Now, again, this splashdown here, huge test for the heat shields, for the 1,300 thermal resistant tiles, a big test for the parachutes to make sure that they could deploy, unfurl, and bring Orion from 24,500 miles an hour to zero at splashdown. Let's go ahead and show you some of what they are studying on this mission, because remember, this was unmanned, but eventually the goal is to put humans in the Orion capsule. So there were mannequins on board with sensors under the seats, radiation vests. There was also a mannequin wearing a new generation spacesuit. And Alex, the ultimate goal here, so we'll have humans going on Orion, hopefully 2024, to do this same mission, a flyby in deep space, and then eventually after that, landing on the moon again with the first woman and the first person of color. So here we're looking at an image of the moon here with some areas where we've already been on the moon, and these are two rover missions, lander missions for 2023. For Artemis 3, they are honing in on the South Pole. Why? Because they know there's ice in the region. So these are some areas on the southern pole that they've already mapped out. Each one is about 9 miles wide. And so they have some decisions to make. Right now, they are studying the Orion capsule, of course. They're going to take a couple of hours to do that. They want to make sure that everything looks good. And even though this is a huge sigh of relief, Alex, after the celebration tonight, tomorrow is day one on the next part of the mission.